Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding your Instagram URL to your Facebook profile. This is pretty straightforward, so let's get right into it. Open up Facebook and then head over to your profile page. Tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down to the Links section and then tap on Edit. From here, tap on Add Social Link, and then you can type in your Instagram username. Tap on Save once you've done that. My Instagram account has now been added to my profile, and I'll now go to my profile page and check it. Here's the clickable link that goes to my Instagram profile. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.